Hair care is an important part of looking good and feeling good, both inside and out. There are an endless number of hair care products that promise to shape up, curl, straighten, moisturize and rejuvenate, but what is the best way to maintain healthy hair? Here are 10 tips to get you started. If you notice split ends, have them trimmed. This will result in healthier hair and a better overall appearance. A trim is relatively inexpensive and should only take a matter of minutes at the local salon. Use a low to medium heat on your hairdryer. Extreme heat can dry out the hair and cause the frizzies. Avoid prolonged exposure to the sun, which is not only bad for your skin, but can dry out your hair as well. Many people suffer from dandruff. If you are one of the many, avoid scratching or rubbing the head as this will promote flaking. Instead, use a shampoo and/or conditioner that is especially designed to treat dandruff and eliminate flaking. If you have thin hair, add a volumizing shampoo for added body. If you have thick hair, using a healthy shine shampoo will bring out the additional beauty. Avoid harsh hair care products, which can dry out or damage the hair. In some cases, individuals have even experienced hair loss in using certain at-home perm and/or coloring treatment products. If you want to have this type of treatment done, have it done at the salon. In choosing a salon, make sure that you opt for one that has been in business for a while and has a clean, professional workspace. Ask friends for referrals. If they have used a certain hair care product, which coincides with one that you are searching for, inquire about their experience. The same is true with salons, which are often best recommended by friends and family. When brushing your hair, use soft strokes rather than those swiped in a hurry. A part of quality hair care is, just as the name implies, caring for your hair. When using styling products, make sure that they do not overheat prior to using them on your hair. Extreme heat can and will damage the hair, not to mention the discomfort of a burn resulting from an overheated styling product. The information contained in this article is to be used for reference only. It is not to be used in place of, or in conjunction with, professional hair care advice. Anyone who notices a concerning condition relating to their hair should consult a dermatologist for proper diagnosis and/or treatment. If you learned something new today, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to be notified whenever we publish a new video.